everybody, Kristin here with some tips and tricks. Real quick one today. If you're building Bitmoji classrooms, have you ever been frustrated by the fact that something you chose has a white background, doesn't look very good in your Bitmoji classrooms? Matter of fact, you can't use it. Would you like to know how to remove that white background with just a couple quick clicks? Here we go. So you can see here, I've been building my Bitmoji classroom. Everything is looking great. I'm feeling happy about it. However, I need to add the student desks. Let's take a look and see what happens when I find one that has a white background. Right here, I've already searched it up just to make it quick and efficient for you guys. Oh, this one's cute. I'm going to drag and drop that onto my desktop. Well, now I'm going to go back into my Bitmoji classroom and I'm going to try to insert it and we'll see the problem. Okay, here's the problem. Look at that. That is not going to cut it. We can't have a big white square in the middle of the classroom. So, no, not going to happen. So, what's the trick? Right here. Just go to remove.bg, click Upload Image, select the image that you just tried to put into your classroom, didn't work out, and here it is. Download it. It's done. You can tell by that checkerboard background. Then you're going to drag the downloaded image right here back onto your desktop, go back to your classroom, insert image from your computer, and I'm going to pick the one that says remove. Here it is, and voila. Look at that. That is a beautiful set right there, and my classroom is looking great. It's so easy to remove the white background with Remove BG. Put a couple of things on the table, and you can see they're in the background, so I need to bring them forward. So that's it. When you have that ugly white background, just go to remove.bg. This is the page you'll land on. Just click Upload Your Image. It immediately makes your background disappear. Hit download and drag that thing right into your Bitmoji classroom. Simple as that. Okay, this is it. It's Tips and Tricks with Kristin, a approved video. Thanks and bye-bye.